Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. General Technology Knowledge. Yes, today I have one more topic about basic PLC logic for logic N. Okay, there are two input for logic N and one output. And this is the function block that I already created inside the PLC program. And this is a graph page that show about working principle of the logic N. For the first one, the input is the in the red color, and the input number 2 is the green color, and output number 1 is the blue color. And I will simulation with the HMI that I already created the screen. Okay, so let's see the input number 1 and number 2 here. So if the input number 2 if input number 1 is on, the output still not on, right? You see, but if input number 2 and input number 1 is on, this one make the output is on also. Okay, and if input number 1 is off, although the input number 2 is on, make the output is off. Okay, so let's go to our program and simulation for easy to understand. You see the input number 1 and number 2 right now is on because I turn on these buttons. Yes, so if I turn off any button, example input number 2, the output is off also. Okay, although the input number 1 still on. Okay, so let's see the graph. To see the graph, let's go to watch, right click and then watch also, and this one watch also. And let's go to the data monitors, drag and drop this one, and also this one to the data monitors. Okay, and let's start test for simulation. So if I turn on input number 1, yes, input number 1 is on, but the output still not on, right? And if I turn on one more, yes, the output number 2, the output number 1 is on also. You see this is a 1 and this is 1 and 1 also. If I turn off any button, make the output is off. Okay, so this is a concept working of logic N function, that it is the basic of PLC or basic of function block. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my video and I will reply soon. Okay, and please don't forget like and subscribe my video also to get more new notification and more new videos also. Okay, so thank you very much again and see you next videos.